So subtraction, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So how scientific values which are having the exponential notations can be transformed into when two values are given, how we can do their addition, how we can do their subtraction, and how we can do their uh, multiplication. So to perform the addition operation, so there is a simple idea. So first let us have a question problem on this, and from on the basis of that we can take this. For example, see, add. So the problem is there. Let us have a problem. The problem is uh, 5.55 into 10 to the power 4. याला आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे plus 6.95. I have taken from your book page number 14, okay. And 10 to the power 3. So you have to add this. You will get many times. You see, you will get this. Many values are there. See, one example is given here. So how we can do this? How we can do this? So now, see what rule says. What rule says? I will write this. What rule says that write the number. Write the number in such a way that write the number in such a way that they have the same exponent. They have the same exponent. What is exponent? 10 to the power value. So now, after that, once you have this, then coefficient are added. Then coefficient are added. This is what the simple formula for addition operation. Now, here, see, apply the concept. Rule says that write these two values in such a way that they must have the same exponent, mean 10 to the power value. What is the value of 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3? We have two options. Either we can make this 3 or we can make this 4. Two options are there. If it is 5, it is 3. So you can see. If you have two different values, 4 or 3 we have here. Let us apply for this. So let us go for this. See, what we will do? We will make this 4. So if I am making this 4, how? If I am shifting this dot here, so this become 4. If I am shifting this decimal to this, so this become 4. So I can write. By shifting this 5.55 into 10 to the power 4 plus. How I can do this? 0.695 into 10 to the power 4. Right? Yes. That's all. So once we have this, now take the common out. So if we can write 5.55 plus 0.695 into 10 to the power 4. Now we do the sum of this coefficient and we can have, if you add this 6, this would be, you do this will give you 6.245 10 to the power 4. This is what? This is called as addition. What if you go for subtraction? So what is the rule for subtraction? Same, okay, and let us go for a subtraction now. So that's all. Let us go for a subtraction. Again, we will have the formula and same pattern will be produced. Suppose we have this formula. See, suppose I am taking from the problem number 2.2. So two values are given. One is 3.5 into 10 to the power. Suppose is minus 2, and this minus 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is the value we had before. So what rule says in for subtraction also, first exponent value should be same. How we can do this? This minus 3 can be brought down, means minus 2 can be increased, minus 2. Okay, so how can that? After by doing what? If I am shifting this point before 5, this become 0.58 to the power minus 2. So I can write 3.5 into minus 0.58 into. So what we can do? We can write 3.5 minus 0.58 into 10 to the power minus 2, and do the subtraction. This will give you 2 point. The answer would be 2.92 into minus 2. So this is what the idea of addition and subtraction. Let us go for multiplication. So what we'll do in multiplication? So one more problem for multiplication. Okay. So we will take one problem for multiplication. See, I will write. So let us have this value. We have 5.6 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, you have to multiply this by another value. It is 6.9 into 10 to the power 8. So this is the value before you. So here, in multiplication, there is no need to do any change in exponent value. What is the simple idea from mathematics concept? Just what you do? Yes, just take this number and take this number, multiply these two numbers, and what about the exponent? Do their addition. So we can write 5.6 into 10 into 6.9, right? Here we can have 10 to the power 5 plus 8. So this will become yes. So we can write this one. So this value directly I will write here. You can do this calculations. 38.64 into 10 to the power, yes. What is this? 13. So it is 10 to the power 13. So is this correct value? No, this is not. Okay, this correct value, but is this correct mathematical expression or notations? No, exponent notation is not like this. It should be n into 10 to the power n, where n is only 1 to 10, should not exceed 10. So here this 38, what I can do then? If we shift this point here, so automatically this shift to 14. So now we can say 3.864 into 10 to the power 14. This is the correct expression and doing the operation multiplication. So this is what the let us have one more idea. Okay, one more problem on multiplication. So let us have one more question on this multiplication. So if I am having this value 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2, and here one more value. Suppose this is being multiplied by another value 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. So these two values are given, and question is multiply this value. So how will you do that? So you take this out, multiply these two values, right? Yes. And then we have to do the sum of these values. So now see, let us go for this. 9.8 into 2.5. What should I write in bracket? 10 minus 2 plus minus 6. So we know this plus minus plus minus minus plus. So minus 2 minus 6. This become minus 8. So if we can write. So what is the value for this? I will write this value is uh, this value would be to multiply this will get 20, this will be equal to 24.50. Okay, if you multiply you will get this one into 10 to the power minus 8, right? Yes, it is into 10 to the power minus 8. But is this correct expression? No. Why? Because we know n 10 n to 10 to the power n. So reduce this. So if you reduce this 2.450, this will also, this number will also reduce. So by 1, so minus 7. This is the correct explanation of writing the doing the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, right. Okay, let us go for next point.